In this video, we will discuss how to do a quick and easy tape lift sample for mold. Mold can be an issue if it's found growing in your home. Taking a tape lift is a simple method to collect samples for mold testing. Remember, if you suspect a significant mold problem or have health concerns, it's advisable to consult a professional mold inspector. For a tape lift sample, you'll need the following items: clear adhesive tape, Scotch tape or similar, scissors, a Ziploc bag that can be sealed, and a marker for labeling your sample. Step 1. Preparing for the test. Before you begin, make sure you're wearing protective gear such as disposable gloves and a dust mask as needed. Step 2. Identifying potential mold growth areas. Look for areas where you suspect mold growth. Common places include bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and areas with water damage. Step 3. Collecting the sample. First, cut a 2 to 3 inch piece of the tape. This will be used to collect the sample. Avoid using frosted tape that could obscure the sample and prevent the spores from being visible. Next, gently press the sticky side of the tape onto the surface you suspect has mold growth. Press down firmly but not too hard. Then, carefully peel the tape off the surface. The mold spores should stick to the tape. Next, place the tape inside the clean Ziploc bag. Ensure the sticky side with the sample is taped to the inside of the bag. Seal the bag tightly to prevent any cross-contamination. Then label the sample, noting information like the date, location where the sample was taken, and any notes about the suspected issue. Labeling the sample is crucial for accurate analysis and interpretation of the results. After the sample has been successfully collected, contact a professional mold testing laboratory to inquire about their process for analyzing tape lift samples. Follow their instructions for sending the sample, along with any required forms or documentation such as a chain of custody. Many labs offer mail-in services, but be sure to check their guidelines for packaging and shipping. Conducting a tape lift test for mold growth can help you identify potential problems in your home. Remember, while this method can provide valuable information, it's always recommended to consult with professionals if you're concerned about mold exposure or extensive infestations. Mold testing and remediation can be complex, and in cases of severe mold infestations or health concerns, it's best to consult with certified professionals. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video where we will discuss how to interpret the lab results for a tape lift sample.